Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have prepared for you a delicious homemade recipe loaded with crispy bacon, cheese, and lots of different herbs. Biscuits are a classic American treat. They are perfect for breakfast, salads, soup, or simply serve with a jam and a cup of milk. In a large mixing bowl, sift together flour, baking powder, soda, and salt. Add cold butter using a grater. To get this nice crispy texture in the biscuits, cut and fry bacon. To remove any excess oil, use paper towel. For this recipe, I'm using two different types of cheese. One is mozzarella with herbs, and second one is smoky cheese. This way you will create a different color and very different flavors. Combine all the ingredients together. For some extra color, add fresh parsley and chopped finely. With the biscuits, you can create your own flavors. Instead of parsley, you can add chive or even onions. For the spices, I'm using pepper flakes and Italian herbs. As well, add milk and sour cream. You can always substitute them with buttermilk. And now we just need to mix all together to combine all the ingredients. Transfer the sticky dough to floured kneading board and keep kneading for 2 to 3 minutes. You can add more flour if you need to. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough approximately 2.5 inches. And now cut into round shape using your cookie cutter. Place them into prepared baking sheet lined with parchment paper and pop it to the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. After the biscuits are nicely cooled down, brush them with an egg and sprinkle with sweet paprika and oregano. Make sure to bake them in preheated oven at 420 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. And repeat with the rest of the dough. The first batch is ready and smells amazing. Still warm biscuits transfer on a plate and serve with your favorite soup, salad, or even meat. I like to serve them with my delicious fall cream butternut squash soup. If you're interested how to create this recipe, I leave the link right on top for you. As well, I hope you all enjoyed this fun recipe. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!